This is the free tire pressure monitoring system. Let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another great video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the free tire pressure monitoring system that I found on wish.com. Link in the description below. So yes, I say free mainly because this thing was free on Wish, but you still have to pay the shipping charge. So in actual fact, it costs about $2 to $3. It comes in a pack of 4 and the quality is actually pretty good. I mean, you got a metal body complete with a thick plastic top shell and 3 color indicators, it looks like, with the green in the bottom, red in the center and yellow on the top. And right at the top you have the writing 2.4 bar. Now I haven't tested this before, but I suspect how it works is if it's 2.4 bars it will only show green. However, if it's less than 2.4 bars but not critically low, it will show yellow, and if it's critically low it will obviously show red. So the reason why I haven't tested this yet is basically because it's a Chinese product, and this Chinese product is gonna open the valve on my tire and let the air out in order to fill this chamber in order to give the indication of what the pressure is. So basically this small thing that's from wish.com is going to hold the pressure in my tire. So you can understand why I am a bit nervous about trying this out. And so testing out these tire pressure monitors. Now these tires are actually pumped up to about 2.1, 2.2 bar. So they should show a bit of yellow because this is rated for 2.4 bar. But hopefully I don't end up with a flat tire. Let's get started. And now for the moment of truth. Hopefully nothing blows up either. Jesus, I'm very scared. Oh wow, as you can see it is green. That means that is 2.4 bars. So I suspect as the tire pressure decreases, so will the indicator decrease. So this is green at the moment. So if you decrease the pressure, actually I can't hear anything leaking either. This actually looks like a good buy. Decrease the pressure now. As you can see, all the indicators show up again. So actually it's the green one that moves up and down to show you the pressure. Pretty clever idea. And now we're going to test this on my Hilux tire, which is about 3 bars worth of pressure. Now as we saw with 2.2 bar pressure, the thing showed a green indicator. Now it normally shows a red or a yellow indicator if the pressure is lower, but now we're going to try to put the pressure at its highest. Okay, let's give it a try. And just like that, it's showing green, mainly because of the pressure is a bit high for this. So let's try it on a tire with lower pressure. And now we're going to do the test on a Mercedes-Benz spare tire, which I think mine is a bit low on pressure. And we're going to reduce the pressure to see if this indicator actually works. So as you can see, it's showing correct. Let's reduce the pressure. That's enough. Let's try again. It's still showing correct pressure. Maybe it needs a little bit more air out. You can see a little bit of yellow. So I'd say this tire is about 1.5 bar, somewhere around there. Now let's try that. As you can see, we can still see a little bit more yellow. So that's on the intermediate warning. Now let's try it. We should see quite a bit of yellow. This is, I think, around 1 bar pressure. Yes, we can see a little bit more yellow. Now the pressure should be down to about 0.8 bar. And as you can see, there's a lot more yellow and a bit of red poking out as well. As you can see, some red is poking out from there. I think I'm going to stop it at that, otherwise this tire is going to be completely flat and I wouldn't have a spare to use. And so now the question remains, is this worth it? In actual fact, I think for a free product that actually kind of works, it is. Because if you can plug all four of these on your tires, that means all you have to do in the morning is just take a look at these indicators and they will give you the approximate pressure and whether you need to fill more air. Especially if you cannot judge by looking at your tire. So yes, these things kind of work, but do I recommend putting them on? No, I don't. I recommend putting on some more expensive things than these free ones here. Mainly because if these things fail, you're going to have a flat tire. So if you guys would like to buy this, there's a link in the description below to take you to the exact one that I bought from Wish.com. However, you must remember that these things are all over Wish, so you should be able to find one that is free. Just search for tire pressure valve cap, tire pressure monitoring cap, whatever, but you should be able to find this on Wish.com for free. So if you guys like this video about this tire pressure monitoring system that's actually free, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more daily content. Until next time.